Our customers are coming from all over the India and they are finding it very comfortable.
It gives a feeling of European exhibition, starting from the main gates till the stall.
The footfall has been great, the quality of visitors have been great, the venue has been fantastic, all the facilities have been spot on, and everybody I speak with is thrilled.
A lot of people are coming. Even we have experience with the people from the other states, like from the south, from the Gujarat, were present there.
Such platform can bring industry and India pride. I'm very happy for the Flash Focus.
नीलगिरी की पूरी टीम फ्लाश फोकस से पूरी अच्छे से सेटिस्फाई है। हमें बहुत खुशी हो रही है।